picking up this cassette tape. He pops this in, and I was like, what the fuck and who the fuck is that? Rewind that. Play that again. Alright, look. I'ma tell you this for your own benefit. Your shit was dope as hell, especially when you wrote 90% of it. What you need to do is practice on your freestyles. When you come up missing like Snoop Dogg's police files. This type of literature that I'm spitting, be hitting. You gonna swear to God this shit was written, but it wasn't. I kill a dozen rappers when I buzz it. Guzzling, beat your ass like a jealous husband.
Come on, Cannonball, give us kisses.
Great could come
Give
from
Papa some
anywhere.
kisses.
When the intern in my office says to me, I saw this guy at the rap battle last night. I said, if you get me to see I would do it to Dre.
Boom. In comes my Caucasian partner. Let's cut to the fucking chase, man. I just want to be known as a legitimate MC, and that's all I could have ever hoped for. You know, to put food on the table, doing what I love to do, would be the ultimate goal.
Come on, give Papa some
I would
kisses.
just take different
Give
trips
Papa a few
to
more kisses.
anywhere I could, just trying to make any kind of name and pass out my sets. I was just really down that I
Size
all
of
the way to the
clothes.
end of Rap Olympics. I lost. This kid came up to me and was like, "Hey
Come on,
man, can I
give Papa
you
one more
take?"
kiss.
I think I probably just, whatever. Okay, so fast forward to, holy shit, I'm in the Interscope's office. Holy shit, this is Jimmy Ivory. Holy shit, Dr. Dre just walked in. Holy shit, I just shit myself. I'm pissing myself now thinking about it. Yeah, I'm pissing. So, Eminem comes in his bright yellow fucking sweatsuit. Hoodie, pants, everything. It's